Yo, what's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? I'm back here with some technical analysis. I've been away for a minute, been studying different things. So you'll see I had a few different things. I need to, I'm gonna have to switch over. Switch over to. Let me go over this real quick with y'all. Alright, put this over here. Yeah, so we're getting a cup and handle over here forming on celr right now. If you can't see it, I kind of already drew it earlier when I was looking for it whenever I set up this channel. Yeah, we also got this triangle over here forming in. And so, um, yeah, I would say I'm gonna just use that as a channel because I would usually do this, and then I would say that's a descending triangle. But I don't, I don't know. I don't think so. I think we're gonna come up here, and then if you want to short it, then you can possibly, but then there could be a little breakout this way. But yeah, that's what I got for that pretty much. So this right there. Those meet up right there. Look, boom. I didn't. That's where you would want to long it at. In this area, look. If you're watching this video and this is still in this area, wait for the retest to this line. Cause look, I feel like the it's gonna form right here, this area, before we break out. Excuse me. But yeah, that would be the cup and handle form on the 5 minute chart. 5 minute chart. Clear it up real quick. It's looking like see anything, no. Yeah, we pretty much got the same thing right here. Not even a same triangle no more. Perfect. No triangle. So boom, we got that right there. So there's a little something for you. Do what you want with it. You know what I'm saying? Good luck. This is not financial advice, but you know what I'm saying? Watch for that. Cup and handle and let's go, baby. You know what I'm saying? A quick play. Have a good day. Like and subscribe to the video if it helped you any type of way.